late last night. It was a little too dark to come down and video. But as you can see, the contractors came in this week, poured the floor. They came through the socket, and we're all good to go. Now we will come down and start on walls. So the truck just arrived. We're actually having him park on the main road just because we think it'll be a little bit easier to have him offload, so he's backing back down to the main road. Then he's going to offload and bring us all of our lumber. So the weather turned bad yesterday and we didn't get a chance to film a lot of it, but we did make it outside in between bursts of the storm and actually got all of the sill plates installed. You can actually see some of what we did today there in the background as well, but all of the sill plates are in, tightened down, and ready to go. Just walking down through the trees again, getting some leaves. A lot of these have been nipped pretty good by frost. It's been pretty cold up here the last few days. And so we got some pretty little leaves. I don't know if we'll keep them all, but some of them are doing very, very nicely.
So here's what we've got going on so far behind us. We've got two of the main support walls already in, and we have a doorway back here. So we have one little wall going right here. So we already have the doorway kind of set into place. Get into this room. And then we'll have another doorway right here to get into this room. So we'll actually have another wall going in right here. So these are our next two that we'll be getting done here shortly. And then if we go to this side, we will have another short wall right here, kind of heading over this way. And then we'll have another small one coming down here, which will start to frame in the stairway. That'll go from the garage to the upper level. So that's kind of what we have going on in here. Watch the continue.
We forgot to get any video of it. We just, got busy and put it in. But here is the 6x6 post at the front of the garage, all anchored to the wall. We'll go up and we'll hold the glue lamp beam. So, there we go. yeah, so we'll have the beam that will go from there across the top. It'll land right over there.
Yep, that calls it a night for us. We're going to go hang out with our friends Mike and Melissa from Cabin Dreamin'. If you've not already subscribed to them, please do so. And yeah, we'll check in with you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.
Okay, that's it for us for the weekend. We're all cleaned up and ready to head home.
We got everything except for one wall done, and that kind of frames in this stairwell that goes from the garage portion to the upstairs. So we'll be back up again next week, and we'll get that done. Hopefully some TGI, some rim board, flooring. So we'll see how next week goes.
And set the big beam.
And yes, set the very big beam. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Thanks.